welcome back to Vincy Gal channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. For all my subbies, welcome back. Guys, please don't mind the face, don't mind the nighty. Not too long get up, went in my kitchen, start my breakfast, put some fish that I got the most of the fish head and them kind of stuff. They tarring down so I could do a fish broth today. Decided I'm gonna do a day in the life. Guys, I have been so busy with work that I did not get to film what I really wanted to film to put up for you guys. I got some recipes to come your way for back to school, guys. I didn't get to film all of that, didn't even get to go to the supermarket to do my shopping for back to school, nothing. So because I decided that I'm just gonna do that at the end of the month and done as I do normally. So I just worked what I had in the house and so forth and so forth. So guys, I have some ideas that I'm going to share with you that you can do for lunches, for breakfast, and all that. They make ahead meals, guys, for those that are interested. Yes, guys, you're gonna like them. Anyway, guys, with that being said, I am going to freshen up myself and let me show you so far what I have started to do for my breakfast. Guys, you know I suffer from acid reflux and I am trying to get back myself on a healthy way, guys. So I'm trying my best to cut out the flour, not really cut it out, but I am eating it less. Also, I'm eating meat less as well. Sometimes I only eat meat like 3 times in the week. Yeah, guys. The bread, I haven't really cut it out fully. I have been going hard on it still, but for this month coming, I am actually going to try to be eating it at least only twice in the week. I don't want to come off it fully because I don't want to get intolerant to the gluten, so I'll be only eating it twice in a week. So let me show you what I'm gonna have for my breakfast this morning. Yeah, guys, so here I'm having some egg and plantain, boiled egg and plantain. No, guys, I'm not gonna be eating all this by myself. One of my daughter is sharing this with me, so we both gonna have 2 eggs and plantain, guys. Yeah, so that's cooking away there. In my bowl here, guys, I have the fish. Yeah, guys, so it's tarring down there. So I'm gonna, when it's finished tarring, I'm gonna let them on salt.
Eternity later.
Dealing with the fish, so I've already got the lemon in there. I just squeezed 1 whole lemon inside of it, and now I'm gonna add a little salt to it. And bring them to closer. Right, so I'm gonna let it soak in that for like 5 minutes and then rinse it off and season it. See, guys, this I had by a whole marlin, and this is the pieces that when the woman sliced it, I didn't let she throw away these pieces. These pieces still have meat on them. It's mostly the middle part with the bone after she sliced off the meat. So this is the part I'm taking to do the broth with, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside So this is what we're going to put inside of this broth. Of course, some dumpling. You don't know dumpling are going here. But I'm not gonna be having too much of the dumpling. I may just have two, because you know I roll them small. I'm gonna do this whole squash in it, some sweet potato. These are yams, guys. I'm gonna use up this. I'm gonna use a piece of this sweet pepper. I'm gonna put these carrots, but I'm gonna cut them up like big like that, guys. Need to use them up. I have one onion here, and of course garlic, and your seasoning of choice. Okay, so in the meantime, the first thing you want to do is peel these and get them into the pot. Everything is gonna go in at once, guys, because we don't want anything mashing up or anything. So I'm gonna put everything in the pot at once to let them cook, and then when they're half done, you're gonna add your fish and so forth. In the meantime, as you're going, you flavor your pot to suit. Okay, so let's get going.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
All of these at once. Take your time because you want to hot. Right. And to that, we're going to season our pot. Now for me, I am going to add some lemon pepper to it, some I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning, but I'm gonna use Goya because we don't have any other all-purpose seasoning. And you can add some fish seasoning to this as well. I apparently don't have any, so the girl is gonna add some chicken seasoning, because actually there isn't, it's a chicken seasoning, but there's no chicken in here to say like, oh, chicken seasoning, just like other different seasoning. So that is what I'm gonna add to this. There you go. And also I'm gonna add, oh, I forgot I don't have any, guys. I was gonna add a bouillon cube, but I now remember I don't have any more of that. Yeah, guys, we shopping with pantry and we cooking with what we have, guys. Remember, don't go on expense yourself, cook with what you have. So I'm gonna cover this, and then again go, and I'm gonna knead up my dumpling. Then we're gonna come back up to a boil. We're gonna add, alright guys, so the similar seasoning I'm gonna add to the fish now and season it, except the lemon pepper. So just put some Goya in here. You could also put wet seasoning, guys, which you see me doing the green seasoning. You see me put it that is wet, but when I cook in Boileen and stuff like this, I don't put that. Okay, and that's all you're gonna need on the fish, because remember we already had salt on it. And we had it soaking with lemon, so you don't need all that excess salt on it. Alright, so cover this and put it, rest it back aside right there until you're ready for it, guys. You're soon ready for it, or you can put it in your fridge till you're ready for it, but you need. So now I'm gonna knead up the dumpling. Alright, y'all, so let's see what's happening here. Nice, nice, nice. Now guys, I like to make my dumpling like this, okay, like that, but you can also make it like this, like how traditionally siblings, so we could do a little boiling and thing, make it like that too. Or I am doing mine small, but you can do it like this one as well, but bigger. We also do it like that, but me, I can keep my dumpling round, like we dumpling like that. And to me, it, because of the size part too, it, when you make it like this and small, it holds more. But this Boileen may be a lot today. Like how with the soup, guys, for those of you who watch my soup, it was overflowing. But I'm not going to do as much this time. This is just gonna be for today, guys. Now guys, as you see, you don't need a lot of stuff to do a little soup or a little boiling. You really don't. If you had just Irish potato and dumpling, it's still a boiling. It's still a boiling, guys, and you add whatever meat and whatever vegetables you want to add to it, guys. It's still food. So be happy with what you have, be thankful, and make do with what you have, guys, until you could do better. And just enjoy meal. Come in the kitchen and enjoy cooking, guys. Just experiment, do things. You understand? This is just how I just do it, guys. So what we're going to do now is going to cover back this. I'm going to let everything cook, and I'm going to come back in about, say, 15 minutes, and I'm going to check. By then everything should be half done. So I'm going to add the fish, then taste it for flavoring. If it needs more flavoring, I will add it, then cover it back and let it cook for another 20 minutes, and then this boiling will be finished. This fish broth would be finished, as we would just call it in St. Vincent, fish broth. This will be finished, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, let's see what's happening in here. Right, see, the dumpling them has formed up and everything. These are halfway done. The yam and everything is halfway done. But how you just know, guys, is look, you see, it starts splitting the sweet potato. The yam is very easy to cook. Look, see how this one split? I don't know if you guys can see it split, so you just know. And it's changed from the whitish color into a more creamy kind of color. Look, see, this one don't start to melt. When yam is very easy to cook. All right. So let us add more fish. Guys, after you don't add the fish, please do not go in and be stirring up your pot, because then the fish can mash up in there and then that's going to be a pretty sight to be biting into bone and all of that there. So just rest your fish on the top, and it is going to flavor your broth. Alright, and it's going to cook evenly. You don't need to having to stir it. Make some room, peoples. I really ain't sure that I need to. I'm gonna taste it, guys, for salt, for flavor. Guys, all it need now is some parsley. Guys, at this point too, if you want, you could add some butter to it. But at home, you see your mommy coming with this spoon and she will add a big heap and put it on here. But guys, I'm not gonna add any of that. I'm gonna add me some salt because it needs it. So we're just gonna add it there and just dip the spoon in there and stir gently like that. Cover, and in the next 20 minutes we can come back and check on it and see what's going on again. In the meantime, guys, I am going to clean up and wait for 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, so this is technically done. Y'all, this is done, guys. Yep. Fish is cooked. Everything is cooked. Let's give it a taste. Yep, this is done, guys. So we're gonna take it off and share this food because it's now 12 o'clock. Alright, guys, look at this broth. Look at this broth, guys. This was so good. It was so delicious, so filling, guys. You didn't want nothing better than this. This ended up lasting us, serving us for 2 days, guys. Do enjoy. Do hope you go in your kitchen and try it, guys. It's delish.